All right. They said the last one was too mathy, so we're taking some of the math out. We're just going to start with 2000 TRX. And basically, the amount is just 5 times bigger every 14 days. So, this depends on interest rates on the Tron staking app. On mine, right now, it said something like 17, which is going to be higher than this. But at least you can kind of ballpark things with this. And you don't have to do as much math as in my last video. So, anyway, 2,000 of them. To start out, we stake. So one cycle, we're 14 days in. Your 2,000 is now 10,000. Cycle 2, after 28 days, now it's 50,000. Cycle 3, 42 days, now it's 250,000. Cycle 4, 56 days, now it's 1.25. So basically, it's just times 5 every time. And then, 5th cycle, 70 days, now it's at 6,250,000 Tron.